Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something we all desperately want more of: sleep. Let's face it, in our fast-paced world, getting enough shut-eye can feel like a luxury. Between work, social lives, and that never-ending to-do list, our sleep often gets sacrificed. But here's the thing, sleep isn't just a bonus, it's a non-negotiable. It's crucial for our physical and mental health, our productivity, and even our mood. So if you're constantly hitting the snooze button and dragging yourself through the day, this video is for you. We're going to dive into some practical tips and tricks to help you finally conquer those sleepless nights and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. 1. Bedroom bliss, creating a sleep sanctuary. First things first, let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a haven for rest, a place that lulls you into dreamland effortlessly. Here are some key things to focus on. Light. Darkness is your friend. Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any stray light. Remember, our bodies naturally produce melatonin, the sleep hormone, in darkness. Temperature. Keep it cool. Aim for a bedroom temperature of around 67 degrees Fahrenheit. A chilly environment promotes deeper sleep. Noise. Quiet please. Eliminate or minimize any noise distractions. Earplugs, a white noise machine, or even earmuffs can be your new best friends. Comfort is key. Invest in a good mattress and pillows that support your body and sleeping style. Plush bedding and cozy throws can also add to the sleep-inducing ambience. 2. Habits for a happy sleeper. Now let's talk about your daily habits. What you do during the day can significantly impact your sleep quality. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly, but avoid strenuous workouts too close to bedtime. Mind your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine and alcohol before bed. These can disrupt your sleep and make it harder to fall asleep. Unwind before bed. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take a warm bath, read a book, do some gentle stretches, or listen to calming music. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted can interfere with sleep. 3. Bonus tips for sleep superstars. Okay, you've nailed the basics. Here are some extra tips to take your sleep game to the next level. Get some sunlight. Exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm. So, take a walk outside, have your lunch break in the park, or simply open your curtains to let the sunshine in. Write down your worries. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, jot down your thoughts and worries before bed. This can help clear your mind and make it easier to relax. Relaxation techniques. Consider practicing meditation, deep breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation before bed. These can help quiet your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Seek help if needed. If you've tried these tips and still struggle to sleep, don't hesitate to consult a doctor or sleep specialist. There may be underlying medical conditions affecting your sleep, and they can provide personalized guidance. Remember, getting enough sleep is an investment in your overall well-being. By making small changes to your habits and creating a sleep-friendly environment, you can unlock the door to better sleep and a happier, healthier you. So tonight, prioritize your sleep, turn off the screens, cuddle up in your cozy bed, and drift off into a peaceful slumber. Sweet dreams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on health, wellness, and living your best life. And leave a comment below with your favorite sleep hacks. I hope this video helps you create an informative and engaging on getting more sleep at night. Remember to add your personality and flair to make it your own.